Hi everybody, this is Adam Sweet. Today I'm going to show you how to play the A major scale on the mandolin. So we're going to start with first finger on the second fret of the G string, that's A. Then second finger on the fourth fret G string, that's B. Third finger on the sixth fret, G string, that's C sharp. Fourth finger on the seventh fret is D. First finger on the second fret D string is E. Second finger on the fourth fret D string is F sharp. Third finger on the sixth fret D string is G sharp. And fourth finger on the seventh fret D string is A. And we're going to do another octave, so another 8 notes up. So from here, fourth finger on the seventh fret, we're going to go to first finger on the second fret A string, second finger on the fourth fret A string for a C sharp, third finger on the fifth fret A string for a D, fourth finger on the seventh fret A string for an E, first finger on the second fret E string for the F sharp, second finger on the fourth fret E string for the G sharp, and finally third finger on the fifth fret E string for A. So let me do it slowly without all the talking so you can see what's going on. So starting with Okay, I hope that was helpful. If you have any questions, head over to my website. All the links are in the details below, and thanks for watching the video.